Ever seen a cool sketch, painting, or design and thought I want the AI to recreate something like this? In this video, I will show you exactly how to upload a reference image and use it as a prompt in 2025 using the latest AI tools. No coding, no design skills, just upload, describe, and let the magic happen. First of all, you need a reference image like this. Using a reference image helps the AI understand the vibe, pose, color style, or layout you want. It's perfect for artists, designers, content creators, or anyone who wants more control over their AI designed content. In 2025, the best tools that support image input with text prompts include DALL-E by OpenAI, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Bing Image Creator powered by DALL-E. In this video, I will show you how to do it with DALL-E. Since it's the most beginner friendly. Step 1, go to your AI image platform. I am using DALL-E by ChatGPT. Upload your log in your account with your Gmail or sign up. Now click submit generation or okay. Upload this image on here. This could be a sketch, photo, or even a logo. So we need to delete 3 version like this. Delete 3 free AI, then upload your image here. Skip this tutorial and create image next or skip all. Then click on edit or create image, then enter your prompt here, then click create. Or upload a hand-drawn cat sketch prompt. Turn this into a realistic fantasy style digital print painting, or recreate this in a 3D picture like style with soft lighting like this. When using a reference image, your prompts still matters. Be clear about style: watercolor, 3D, anime, cyberpunk, vibe, dreamy, dark, cute, realistic. Changes, keep the pose but add wings or make it a realistic robot. Here's an example prompt. Use this uploaded sketch of a fox turned into a vibrant fantasy title, fantasy styles. Fantasy style is illustration with glowing eyes and a forest background. Once you hit generate or create, the AI will blend your reference with your text prompt. You can pick your favorite version of ask for variations. Happy? Just click download. And you are good to go. Perfect for posters, product ideas, or social content. Here are some quick tips to level up. Use clean high resolution reference image sketch in black and white to let the AI and color. Try different styles in your prompt. Retro. Use in painting tools to edit just one part of the image later. Save your best prompts for reuse. And that's how you can upload a reference image and turn into stunning AI art in 2025, all without writing a single line of code. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tools and creative hacks. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.